You have to be very keen on regulation. When we speak about us being the first female-founded fintech to be regulated by the central bank, it's not easy road. But the most important thing is we got there. It can be done. In fintech and regulation, you have to look at the industry-first regulator, and usually that is central banks. Now, central banks can require you to go directly or indirectly through partners, and you just simply get what they call a letter of no objection. So when you're building your product, always ask yourself, do I want to be a last mile customer product, or can I be something as a service? For example, technology as a service, security as a service, finance as a service, lending as a service. And in that way, you do not have to go through the burden of raising the capital for regulation. I want to move to my next element, which is women as regulators. There is an opportunity to be a woman regulator. I will repeat that. There is an opportunity to become a woman regulator in the industry. There is a gap in RegTech, which is a product in and of itself, and we are still struggling here. I will give you an example what RegTech can reference to, and I will give you a use case. Today, when you download our app, we'll ask you for simple things like your phone number, your name, your ID. We'll go on to screen that. We'll go on to run a sanction check, an AML check, and so on and so forth. The players that are in the industry are international players. The costing is exorbitant. You can't build a system today which runs a check on an ID, which validates. You can run a system today, or you can develop a system today which can do face matching. You can develop a system today which can do document verification. All these are opportunities in regulation. So as a player and as a woman player, you have a whole list of opportunities that you can tap into as regulators. I am not saying yourself you're going to become an LC chairperson. I am talking about an innovator in the industry to provide these solutions. So what must you do? It always begins from the use case that is available. Thank you. It always begins from, I have 5 minutes. I'm about to finish. It always begins from the use case